Welcome to a channel where you are not only going to learn how to speak in Xitsonga, but you're also going to learn how to read and write the language. Today we are going to learn how to greet in Xitsonga. I'm going to keep it simple and short. Just like in most languages, Xitsonga has got the formal and the informal type of greetings. Examples to follow. Formal greetings. Abusheni or Rishile or Imisho for good morning. Inhlekani for good afternoon. Riperile for good evening. Kunjani, how are you in singular. Minjani, how are you in plural. Nzivukile or nzikona kunjani, I am good and you. Informal greetings. Ya for hi, uri yini ntsena for how are you, unzidzwela yini for what can you tell me. Anzivuli nchumu, there is nothing to say. More vocabulary. Swifamba njani, how are things going. Zwinjani vutomi, how is life. Banjani ekaya, how is your family. Wa hlayisekile, are you safe. Rinjani rihanyo, are you well. You see, Xitsonga is easy just like other languages. Do subscribe for more lessons.